Good morning, dear students, and also welcome in our DSS online classes. And today I am going to start a reading video of chapter 4. This is chapter name is More on Microsoft Office Word. Okay, this is More on Microsoft Office Word. And today's from the first topic we have to read what is word processor. Earlier there used to be no facility to format and apply special effect to the text, insert tables, symbols and pictures in your document. However, after people started doing typing work on the computer using the word processor, things changed. A word processor is a specialized software designed for the entering, editing, formatting and printing text. Using a word processor we can do following. By using we can do much more thing. First is an evening at a circus. We have to write this. Circus has always been a good means of fun and entertainment. In the past, circus were more popular than they are now. Type, edit and format text. Is this textual data we can from this software we can what I am doing, type, edit and format. Second, computer apply special effect to the text by using this software. 10 alpha is equal to 20 and second column beta is equal to 40 pi. This is computer icon, this is mouse icon. Third, insert symbols, table and picture to the text. Point, Gemini circus. Second, Jambu circus. And third, Kohinoor circus. Point, Gemini circus. Point, Jammu circus. And point, Kohinoor circus. Here what we doing? Fourth step, apply bullets and numbering to the text. And where we can do it? From the help of Microsoft Office Word. Now second is, here too much things are about circus, but what we doing here? Fifth step, check the spelling and grammar of the text. Sixth step, here 2 tabs pages. What we have to do here? Review document before printing. Quick quiz. Name any 6 things which can be done in a word processor. That means this answer is first point, second point, third point, fourth, fifth, sixth will be doing by this word processor software. Okay. Now this is the new heading. What is Microsoft Office Word? Microsoft Office Word, commonly known as Word, is a word processor software from the Microsoft company. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. Second point, opening Microsoft Office Word 2010. To work in Microsoft Office Word, you first need to open it. Let us look at the steps to open Microsoft Office Word. How to open Microsoft Office Word? We can follow this activity 1. What is activity 1? To open Microsoft Office Word 2010. Now here first step is click on the start button. Second point, point to all programs. Third point to Microsoft Office. Fourth point, click on the Microsoft Office Word 2010. After fourth point follow, we have to observe this statement. The blank screen of Microsoft Office Word 2010 will open in front of you like this. Window will open. you can see the following marked component. These are all the components, those are included with this window. Here file menu, here quick access toolbar, here ribbon, here title bar. Title bar is the toppest area, ribbon is this area, and quick access toolbar here, and file menu is file, home, insert. This is called the file menu. The next point, the screen component. Component means part. You can see the following marked component on the blank screen Word 2010. First is title bar. It displays the name of the document. Second, ribbon. It gives you all the options to work from a single area. Third, the file menu. The commonly used commands like to open, save and print documents are stored here. Now start quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. The frequently used commands like new, open, save and spelling check can be added here in the form of buttons. Remember, Word 2010 has a ribbon which is a single central place to execute all the commands. Next point about the ribbon. What is ribbon? First point, on the ribbon you will find various tabs like home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing and view. Second, under each tab the related command buttons are organized into groups. Groups means division. For example, under the home tab, the font group contains all the buttons to change the font type, size, color and style. Bold, italics, underline. This is the ribbon defined by home tab, and here font group option, and this is called the groups, and this is home ribbon, home tab, and those are including option open. This is called the ribbon area. Third point, when you click on some tab, the command buttons related to the tab appears. Remember, by default the home tab is selected. Here by default which tab will be selected? Home tab. Now next point is entering the text. How to enter the text, how to insert the text. Typing of text in a word processor is easy. The text automatically wraps itself as the insertion point reaches the end of the right margin. Remember, this property of the text wrapping the next line when it goes past the right margin is called the word wrap. Second point, what is paragraph? A paragraph is a portion of the text type continuously without pressing the enter key. When you press the enter key, the insertion point jump to the new line and new paragraph start. Editing the text. Editing means making corrections or changes in the text. The term editing includes deleting, copying, moving and replacing of the text. Here within this box, multimedia is simply the integration of multiple forms of media, text, picture, sound, video. Multimedia, it is also come previous lesson. Okay, that's there. A lot of discussion about what is multimedia and what is multimedia software. The sound recorder program is used to record sound and voice in your computer. The Windows Media Player program is used to play your video / music files. This is the one paragraph about two terms. One term is sound recorder and second is Windows Media Player, and one is about multimedia. Next point is selecting the text. To perform operations like changing the type of, style or size of the text, you need to select the text. To select the text, press the mouse button, drag the mouse button towards the end point of the text and release the button at the end point. Fact file. You can also select multiple strings of text by pressing the control key and dragging the mouse over the text string to select them. This is one sentence, and here only in need. This is highlighted area. This means this is selected text. Okay. Today I am cover only half part of your chapter number 4. More on Microsoft Office Word, and in next turn I will completed half remaining part of chapter 4. So if you have any problem, you can discuss with me or call me. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.